गुड इवनिंग जी। तारीख है 24 जुलाई, रात के बजे तकरीबन 8:54 और हम करने जा रहे हैं मार्केट के एनालिसिस। 2 मिनट माइक को एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं और फिर एनालिसिस स्टार्ट करते हैं। चलिए, जैसे कि कल हमने डिस्कस किया, क्या डिस्कस किया कि मार्केट में इतना बड़ा एलटीसी टैक्स लगा, सारे टैक्सेशन चेंज कर दिए, लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म एनएससीटी इंक्रीज कर दिया फ्यूचर्स में। इवन देन मार्केट डिड नॉट फॉल यस्टरडे, ठीक है। दिन में उसने पॉजिटिव इशू किया। The moment this LTCG, this taxation was declared, the market dropped down to 3% around. लेकिन by the closing of the market, it again went up to its original position. ठीक है, तो नीचे से बाइंग बहुत शानदार है। And same consolidation that we see today is the follow-up move. It has given the confirmation that कुछ भारी मंदी नहीं आने वाली है based on this बजट सेशन। ठीक है, तो बजट जब मार्केट ने इलेक्शन रिजल्ट को एब्जॉर्ब कर दिया विद दिस मच ऑफ वॉलेटिलिटी, वी डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ बजट। ठीक है, इस चीज को हमने पहले भी आपसे डिस्कस किया था। तो आज अगर क्लोजिंग बेसिस में देखें तो मार्केट इट वाज डाउन बाय ओनली 0.74 पॉइंट 0.3%। ये फ्यूचर्स का चार्ट है और अगर इसका भी चार्ट देखें स्पॉट का तो तकरीबन 65 पॉइंट डाउन था। ठीक है, जो बात हम कहते आ रहे हैं कि पिछले फ्राइडे का लो जब तक इंटैक्ट है, नथिंग इज रॉन्ग, नथिंग इज सीरियस विद द मार्केट। ठीक है, तो मार्केट बिल्कुल अपने सपोर्ट पे खड़ा है और इसका प्रीवियस स्विंग टॉप जो है, प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई, दैट इज द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल। अनलेस द मार्केट गोज अप and break its previous swing high, no fresh rally in Nifty. I'm talking about only Nifty. No fresh rally in Nifty is expected. ठीक है, लेकिन हमारे लिए क्या है? हमारे लिए we don't want, since we do not trade in Nifty index, we trade in options based on the structures in the Nifty. So what we expect is let the market consolidate in this zone. Even then you will see great price action in other stocks. वो स्टॉक्स हम आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, तो ये देखिए, अगर मोमेंटम की बात करें तो मोमेंटम स्लो डाउन हुआ है, जिसकी बात हम 3 दिन पहले से कर रहे हैं, जिस दिन स्लो डाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था। And it has been confirmed by RSI also. Today RSI has dipped below the RSI 60 level. This is a confirmation that Nifty is going to either consolidate in this range or may break down from this level. तो ब्रेकडाउन का लेवल हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर रखा है। दिस इज द ब्रेकडाउन लेवल। इफ इट गोज बिलो दिस, द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट विल बी दिस लेवल। ओके, द प्रीवियस स्विंग लो, नथिंग टेक्निकल, नथिंग वेरी high thing, and then the ultimate support will be this 200 exponential moving average of 22,000. Now 22,000 has become a great support because it has come down to 200 exponential moving average. ठीक है, इसके नीचे जाएगा तो ट्रेंड विल चेंज। तो वहां तक की तो बात ही नहीं करनी है। जिस तरीके से मार्केट में बाइंग आ रही है, ये सब बातें मत करिए। ठीक है, चलिए बैंक निफ्टी बात करें। ये देखिए, बैंक निफ्टी ने बात की थी। बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा सा वीक लग रहा था निफ्टी से, जब उसने 60 पे सपोर्ट लेके आरएसआई नीचे टूटा था। ठीक है, तो अब इस लेवल पे बैंक निफ्टी शॉर्ट करने की कोशिश बिल्कुल मत करिए, क्योंकि इसका आरएसआई इज कमिंग क्लोज टू 40 लेवल, and if it bounces from 40, then this can become a क्या सपोर्ट। इस सपोर्ट तक काम करके एंड बैंक निफ्टी में बाउंस बैक फ्रॉम हियर। और दूसरी बात ये है कि इसका प्राइस एक्शन भी, इसका जो चैनल फॉलो कर रहा है काफी लंबे से, सपोर्ट के पास आ रहा है। ठीक, तो एक बाउंस बैक आपको मिल सकता है। तो मैक्सिमम इट कैन कम डाउन टू दिस सपोर्ट लेवल। चलिए, नेक्स्ट इज मिड कैप निफ्टी। If you talk about this, all the indices part, you will see among all the indices, Bank Nifty is the one which has recovered the most. It has recovered 0.68%, around 0.7%. Mid cap Nifty. और उसकी स्ट्रेंथ अगर आपको देखनी है तो यू कैन सी दिस इन दिस लाइन चार्ट। अगर देखेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा दिखाई देगा। ये देखिए, इसने एक्चुअली इस स्ट्रक्चर को देखेंगे तो इसने क्या किया, प्राइस ने हायर हाई हायर लो बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया, समझ रहे हैं? The fall that we saw in the last two trading session, that has been almost covered. See, there's the price action and the price is about to cross its previous swing high on the high of that budget day candle, and its RSI is also coming to its 60 level. Once it goes above it and rest, it will see a shoot up in the portfolio. See, जो हमारा portfolio हम जो बनाते हैं based on this relative strength, that more or less follows this mid cap nifty chart. Today this mid cap nifty was up by 0.68%. Our portfolio was also up by 0.7% with some tolerance. There has to be some tracking error. Obvious है, जो कि इंडेक्स में होती है तो why don't be index fund में होती tracking error? The same applies. The same rule applies to every portfolio. As our portfolio tracked the mid cap nifty, so there has to be some tracking error. ठीक है? So whenever we get opportunity to accumulate the bank nifty, mid cap nifty in future segment, we do it, because if we are buying the mid cap nifty, as it is more or less the same thing we are building the portfolio. Suppose we are having the portfolio of 50 lakhs, 50 crores rupees. So छोटा portfolio बोलते हैं, 50 lakhs का portfolio होता है, suppose in case, and at certain point of time you find, suppose at this breakout level, you find the mid cap nifty is at a very good buying level. Then what would you do? Instead of allocating this cash segment, making the portfolio 50 lakhs, it is as good as taking the mid cap nifty futures, ठीक है, with the margin money, applied margin money. So what will happen? Your allocation will increase. I know your number. I know my चलिए, तो ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट इज, अगर हम निफ्टी जूनियर की बात करें तो ऑलमोस्ट निफ्टी जूनियर, the kind of pullback we have seen in the mid cap nifty, that is not there in nifty junior, but small cap has recovered a lot. एक काम करते हैं, मैं आपको स्मॉल कैप का विचार दिखाता हूँ. दिस इज द निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप. सी, after mid cap nifty, small cap is the index which has actually broken its previous swing high based on the price action, but its RSI is way below its 60 level. The good thing with this mid cap nifty is its RSI is coming close to 60 level, and once it goes above it, you will see a rally. ठीक है, तो more or less market consolidate कर रहा है, but one thing is very sure, that the kind of rally we have, and that the kind of sell-off that we witnessed yesterday at the time of declaration of this uh, budget taxation on capital market, that has been accumulated. ठीक है, चलिए. एरिडा, एरिडा बिल्कुल बाइंग लेवल पे है. देखिए, हमने इसको बाई किया था जब ये RSI 60 को क्रॉस किया था. ठीक है, डिसाइसिवली प्राइस सेक्शन यहाँ से मूव किया, इतना ऊपर गया, करेक्शन किया, but during all this period its RSI in the daily time frame has not gone below the 60 level, and what is happening is it has come down to RSI 60, taking support at RSI 60 and trying to bounce back from here. So is it the time to accumulate? Yes, you can buy it with a small stop loss of this level, but as we are not the pullback player, so we will let the price break its previous swing high. We have put one alert here. When the price goes below above its previous swing high, we'll get an alert and we'll buy this stock, because there's every possibility, and when it will cross its previous swing high, there's every possibility that that this MACD, which is touching its signal line, may bounce from here. ठीक है, एक किस देके यहाँ से बाउंस हो सकता है. So this will be the ideal opportunity to accumulate this stock in a more quantity. What next? So have an eye on this stock. Then it is IEX, Indian Energy Exchange. See, when you make investment based on the weekly time frame, what happens is you may see a sharp correction in the portfolio. Sharp means 10 to 15% of, because your stop loss based on the weekly time frame are quite deep. Around, it may vary from 15 to 20% also. Okay. But the thing is, your chances of failure reduces considerably. See what happened is, when you make the entry here, when its MACD become positive, when RSI goes above 60 level, and the price action also goes above this VWAP level, we make an entry here. And when it was coming down, we were dead sure that this price action will definitely honor this VWAP level. See, this is what happening here. The price action is taking support from this VWAP line and is bouncing back from here. And the RSI in the daily time frame is bouncing exactly. It is making W type of pattern in the daily time frame. So there is every possibility that it will start moving from here. It has made a short term bottom from here. लेकिन क्या करना है हमें? Is it really recommended to make an entry at this spot? No. You better wait for this its previous swing high to cross. Once it goes above its previous swing high, you can consider adding it in your portfolio. So till then, it's a wait. It's a hold. Dmart, as the whole FMCG sector is performing, this stock is also going in a higher low structure. If anybody wants to accumulate this stock, today was the best time. Even you can accumulate tomorrow also, because this is not the stock which can jump at any fine day 10 to 20%. It will move slowly in a consistent fashion. See, it was up by only 2% today. When all other stocks were up by 3 to 4%, it is making a consistent move. So it's a buy at this point. Gujarat Gas, this is the stock that we actually, considering the volatility in this budget section, हमने इसको 50% quantity we have removed it here at this spot. But it is again coming up to its breakout level. What is the criteria? Let its RSI go above 60 level and price cross its previous swing high. And on the weekly closing basis also, I feel that its price action will cross its previous swing high. So you can look adding it further in your portfolio. But as we are getting some other opportunities, better opportunities, because this is relatively a slow mover stock. So we'll suggest till then it's a hold. Protein, this is the one that we added yesterday. We are looking for another opportunity to accumulate it. Let it come down, cool a bit, and when it makes a pullback and gives, we'll add. Then is the CDSL, more or less all the stocks are hold. It's a hold, but it got its previous high. This is an ETF, nothing to worry. The other stock that I'm looking for to add in the portfolio is this Zomato, because we are holding and trading in this stock since this breakout level. And what has happened is it has crossed its all-time high level and is moving in a continuous fashion. Daily time frame में, it appears that it has broken its small consolidation, but we are waiting for this to go above its previous swing high, or even if it doesn't go, it remains single positive session, single कल positive रहता है, and there is nothing, the whole, जैसे कि हम expect कर रहे हैं कि market has absorbed all the taxation part declared in the budget. If it is so, then we will accumulate this stock tomorrow. Gensartech IT sector stock today gave a bounce of 1.0%, moving very swiftly in the weekly time frame. This structure has not given us an exit, and we're just holding it tight. But it is not asking us to make fresh accumulation at this stage. So it's a hold. RK Forging, it is very well holding its stop loss of 854. So we are sitting tight. Then the two shipbuilding sectors, Mazagon holding its breakout level. Just keep your fist tight. It's a hold. Then GRSE, again it's a hold. Persistent system, as it is an IT sector stock, it has just started moving, but its weekly time frame, it broke its all-time high, then gave a pullback and is trying to break its previous swing high in the weekly time frame. So it's a hold. What next is Birlasoft. Again, it's a hold, being an IT sector stock. Sarah, look at its weekly time frame. Don't see the weekly time frame because the volatility in this stock is quite high. So when it break its previous swing high, just jump into and accumulate it further. Then the one stock that we have added today is Sonata Software because considering the sectoral rotation in this in Nifty indices, I feel IT sector is the one which you should accumulate afresh. See what has happened today is it was up by around 0.8%. Volume was also good, and the relative strength RS. It has also turned positive today, and the stock break its previous swing high. So it was an ideal. It is near its 200-day exponential moving average also. So a lot of room is left, still left in this stock to go further. So we are holding it. Sorry, we have made a fresh entry here. Then another stock that we added today is Sand. Though its RSI in the daily time frame has not generally we purchase the stock when its RSI goes above 60 in the weekly time frame. But this is a little exception because it is an IT sector which is an outperforming sector at this point and is making a rounding bottom pattern. So, and this is the one stock which is near its 200 exponential moving average and seems to be started moving from here. See, if we place this VWAP line, you'll find the another buying level here. See this VWAP line of 1950 is the another buying level. Once it goes above it, you should accumulate it in a big way. And if we put this anchored VWAP line here, you will find this, the support level. Yes, it is exactly at its anchored level. Don't worry. चलिए जी, मोटा मोटा हमने सब डिस्कस कर लिया है. देखते हैं कल कैसे रहता है मार्केट. मिलते हैं कल के सेशन में. थैंक यू.